Bollywood just got pulled into a religion-loaded reality show, and this time the mic drop came from Bhajan singer Anup Jalota, aimed straight at Oscar winner AR Rahman. Yes, you heard that right. Anup Jalota has sparked a full-blown controversy after suggesting that AR Rahman should convert back to Hinduism if he believes his Muslim identity has cost him work in Bollywood. The comment, now viral, has ignited outrage, applause, memes and heated debates, everything social media thrives on. So how did the firestorm begin? It all traces back to AR Rahman's recent interview with BBC Asian Network, where the legendary composer opened up about a nearly 8-year lull in Hindi cinema. Rahman hinted that shifting power structure in Bollywood, where non-creatives now call the shots, and possible communal bias may have quietly pushed him out of the Hindi mainstream, despite his global stature. The honesty didn't sit well with Anup. In a blunt video response, Jalota dismissed Rahman's suggestion outright and dropped his controversial line. If he feels being Muslim stopped his work, then convert back to Hinduism and see if films come back. According to Jalota, Rahman flourished after converting to Islam, achieving fame, love and respect. So blaming religion now, he said, doesn't add up. Director Imtiaz Ali, however, defended Rahman, insisting his words were misunderstood and that he has never witnessed religious discrimination firsthand. With the noise growing louder, AR Rahman himself stepped in to cool things down. In a calm video message, the composer clarified that his comments were taken out of context. He reaffirmed his love for India, stressed unity and said he never intended to hurt sentiments. Ending on a patriotic note, Rahman said, "India inspires me. My intentions were misunderstood. Jai Hind." But the conversation didn't stop there. Rahman's daughter, Raheema, delivered one of the sharpest responses online, calling out what she describes as blind hate. She reminded critics that the Gita, Quran and Bible all preach peace, accusing people of choosing toxic politics over basic humanity. Her statements drew massive support from fans applauding her courage. Meanwhile, Anup refused to backtrack. Speaking to IANS later, he doubled down, praising Rahman's massive body of work and insisting there were never been any religious roadblock for him. Jalota even remarked that Rahman has delivered 25 years of work in 5, questioning the idea of any slowdown at all. And honestly, Rahman's resume does most of the talking. From Chava, Atrangi Re, Animal, Bijli, Dil Bichara to his upcoming Ramayan collaboration with Hans Zimmer, Rahman remains unstoppable, especially in South cinema and on the global stage. So, what is this really about? Is it religion? Is it the power politics in Bollywood? Or is it the uncomfortable truth that even legends face phases and society looks for easy labels? As Jalota's comment continues to trend and Rahman chooses silence over sparing, one thing is clear. Faith, fame and freedom of expression remains Bollywood's most combustible mix. And while the debate rages on, AR Rahman seems to be doing what he does best, blocking out the noise and composing the future. This is Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment. Stay tuned because Bollywood drama never takes a break.